Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to finally be welding up the shed. It's been a couple of weeks in the making. Today we have my twin brother. So first thing we need to do, cut a bit of the metal. So the tubing that we have going up in here does need to be cut down like 30 centimeters. So we need to cut that down, put that from there across to the other side there. And then once it's cut down, I can attempt to weld. I've never welded before, so I'm probably just gonna burn a massive hole in my shed. So it should be fun. We'll get straight into it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut 30 centimeters off this tubing. So I've got my grinder here and we'll get straight into it. It's not very straight, but it'll be fine. So we're gonna do a test fit to see if everything lines up. And then if everything lines up, we'll get the welder out. She fits. So this is the welder I've got. I have no idea how to set this up. So we're gonna do the next best thing, which is ask ChatGPT. How do I set up my welder?
All right, let's get you set up. Once that's on, you're all set to go ahead and start welding.
All right, thanks to ChatGPT, we've got all the settings in a reasonable spot. So we're gonna do a test weld on the shed, which is probably not the best spot to do it, but I have nothing else metal, so. So this is gonna be my first attempt at welding on this shed. Just trying to find a spot to ground it. I think this window sill will be good. Awesome.
I think that thing probably do with being a lot closer.
Fuck's sake. Fucking hell, every time.
Well, you're getting better at fixing it.
Oh shit, I can't see. That's better. This is my first attempt at a weld. It is pretty shocking, to be honest. But in saying that, it's on the roof. So, look at that, that's fucked.
No, it looks like the weld's not biting into the material. It's that separation that we see.
So from when we started, like when you saw my first weld to this one being my last weld, it does look somewhat better. It looks like an actual weld. Doesn't look like crap. We've got this one here. I think we'll call those two frames done. All right, I did try to start siliconing the roof, but it is a struggle. So I'm just going to get some flashing tape and just tape it all up.
You want to take me to the show?
So back to Bunnings we go. All right, so we're back from Bunnings. We just had to get some of this flashing tape. I've got some scissors and a scraper just to rub it in, And now we're going to put a layer of this on the outside. So wherever I see a hole, I'm going to place it over, and then we're going to go on the inside and do the same thing again. All right, so I've just patched up the last bit. And it looks a bit patchy, but there shouldn't be any holes anymore. So we have welded up the strut braces across the roof. I added a bit more silicone and I've patched it up with this masking tape. That'll do it for now. Anything you want to say?
Done well. Happy with it.
Hell yeah. I'll either see you tomorrow. If not, I'll see you in the next video.